today is National Mojito Day, and here to show us how to make the refreshing Cuban cocktail with a California twist is mixologist Brynn Smith. Brynn,
hello.
Welcome to the show.
Hello, hello.
I love starting a Monday like this.
Right? I'm a good time always.
I know. Okay, girl, first off, let's talk about the mojito, because I don't even really know what makes a mojito a mojito.
So a mojito makes mojitos, the rum, the lime, the sugar, but the mint is the main star. Yes.
Okay, now that you're saying that,
yes,
you're right. There's always a little hint of mint.
Essential oil, the smell, the essence is what makes it the best.
Okay, now I know that there's history to every type of drink.
Yes.
So where does the mojito come from?
So the mojito, it's a Cuban-based cocktail, of course. Okay. But there was earlier reports by South Americans in the 1500s that there was a medicinal concoction, because everything started medicinally when it came to cocktails. Okay. That was with some citrus, some mint, and some sort of rum. Okay. So originally it was a medicinal cocktail.
Nice. Well, I need my medicine every Friday night, so that makes sense.
Right.
Okay, so today we are making a mojito, but it has kind of a California Live twist on it.
Absolutely.
Okay, what's in it?
So we're going to do a mojito with some coconut rum, Selvarey, and then with Aperol. We know Aperol kind of like with the spritz, but it's really fun to play with in citrus-based cocktails.
All right, should we get started?
Let's get started.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to grab our small part of our shaker. Okay. And then we have some mint here. We're going to each grab 6 to 8 mint leaves.
Nice.
So go ahead and grab. Okay.
Right, we're good.
And then we're going to paste it in our hand. Okay. This is the most important part.
All right.
We're going to smack it.
Oh, we're spanking the mint. Okay.
And we're dropping it in.
Okay, what is that?
The reason we do that is we're releasing the essential oils.
Oh, I actually can smell that.
Right?
Yeah.
You are now have a perfume. It's great. But we're also going to tamp down with our muddler. Okay. So we're just basically going to tamp down and turn 3 to 4 times. You never want to over muddle and bruise and break up the mint so much, because you want it to look beautiful in the glass. I feel like that's the biggest misconception. Well, People always over muddle. Okay, now we're going to get our lime juice. And I'll go first, and we're going to measure an ounce of lime juice. So this small part of your measuring tool, so flip that over. All right. And we're going to fill it up. Okay. Okay. Now, did you actually squeeze this on, or you just... Fresh juice, of course. I know. I don't even know why I asked that. Yeah, and then pour it on in, okay? And then we have simple syrup, which is just like a 1-to-1 ratio of cane sugar to water. Okay. Mix it up, creates this, okay? And then we're going to do 3/4 ounce. So you're basically going to be going up 3/4, like 75% of the way up. There's a little notch that you'll see, and you're going to pour that in. That's going to give us a great balance, like a lime sour. Okay, and then we're going to take some Aperol to pink it up and make it extra special. This is an Italian aperitif. We're going to put in a 1/2 ounce. Just a little bit to give us this like bitter orange rhubarb kind of vibe. And then, other than the mint, my favorite part in this is this rum. Well, yeah, of course. It's rum. Yes, but it's coconut rum. Ooh. It's delicious. Now, a mojito, does this normally have a coconut, or this is like your twist? This is my twist here. Okay, I wanted it to be tropical. Again, like I want us to feel like we're on a vacation right now. Okay. So we're going to do 1.5 ounce. Now, do I turn this? Yes, flip it over. And do you see that line right there? Yeah. That's now, if I were to go over the line, you know, you can go over a little, girl. There's no judgment here? No judgment here. No judgment here. All right, girl. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the glass. Okay. And we're just going to put in a little bit of crushed ice in there. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'll help you out here. Thank you. Where'd you get this crushed ice? Chick-fil-A. $1.50 a bag. Who knew? This is the best ice, too, right? By the way. And then we're just going to put a little bit in here. The reason we're only going to do... Oh, no. Keep that in there. Sorry. I got you. I got you, girl. Okay. We're just going to do a little shake, because we're putting this on crushed ice, and we're adding some soda water, so we don't need the dilution in the tin to be too much. So now we're going to take the other part of the tin. Okay. You're going to close it over. Here, let me be careful. Thank you. Yep. See, girls helping girls. Make sure it's secure. You see this white jumpsuit? She's like, let's not ruin that white. Okay, so now we're just going to do a little shake. Just a little bit, just to make sure it's cold. Okay, now you can feel. You see the... Oh, yeah. Yep. I feel it. Next thing, soda water. We're just going to top a little bit. Brynn, we got a problem. Oh, that happens. Okay. Okay, no worries. Oh, I got it. Oh, you did it. That's normal. That happens to us every day as bartenders. All right. Okay, so now we're just going to dump this whole thing. And do you see how our mint leaves are still intact, because we didn't they're not go crazy? Like this. It's better. And then we're just going to fill with ice. Okay.
Okay.
Like so, and make it go to the top. Look how nice that crushed ice looks.
Beautiful.
Right?
Yeah.
Let's have everybody see that. Okay, here we go.
Okay, Brynn, tell me again, you have a book coming out, and now that I've been doing this with you, I understand
Yes, I have.
how great you are at this.
Yeah, I'm super excited. It's coming out in fall. It's going to be called The Complete At-Home Bar Guide.
Okay.
And yeah, look out for it.
I need this.
Yes.
You saw I don't even know what to do with all of this stuff in front of me, so that's why your book is perfect for the summer.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to take a couple mint sprigs into our hand. So you're going to hold that like that. Okay, like a little bouquet.
Okay.
We're not going to put it in yet because we got to do some little magic. We got to kind of awaken the herb.
Oh, let's wake up. Hello.
You get a shower.
Wake up, everyone.
A mint shower, okay? And then we're gonna place this in the drink like so. Okay. And then what I do as a little trick is these amazing pasta straws.
Okay, can we talk
biodegradable?
About the pasta
Yes.
Okay, so how long does this last? Because I've done paper straws. I really do care about the
So this one particular in pasta straws lasts like overnight. There's some pasta straws that it'll turn into a noodle like an hour, but this will last like literally 6 hours at least.
Stick it in there. I am
So
ready
I always like, what I like to do is I like to place strategically the straw.
Okay.
I put it right behind the mint here. Because as you're sipping, you'll be able to smell that delicious mint. And then we have one more thing. We gotta have a cute little lime wheel. Tropical. Beauty, right?
There is nothing better than starting a Monday.
There it is.
With a wonderful drink.
The California Live Mojito.
Thank you so much.
You
All right,
got
let's sip. Oh, that's good.
Right?
That's refreshing.
The coconut.
It's a little dangerous. It tastes a little too good.
Yeah, this is going to happen fast.
Brynn, thank you so much. All right, Brynn also showed us how to make a traditional mojito. And watch and get that recipe, head to our Instagram page at NBCCA Live.